Hello, in front of me I've got JBL Live 670. In this video I'll show you how to manage Personify function. In the beginning, go to JBL headphones app. Go to Personify, Start, and now select your gender, year of birth, and listening experience. Now follow the instructions. Press and hold to start, and now release button when you can no longer hear the tone. Of course, during the whole process, wear your headphones. Now you can check compensation result, tap done, and now you can retest or test report. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.